everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I want to start this video off by saying thank you so much for showing up and watching my videos and commenting. It really makes a big difference, especially with the YouTube algorithm. So again, thank you. I really appreciate it. So if you have a chance, please make sure that you comment, like, share, and hype it up. YouTube has this new feature where you can hype a video up. I think you can do it like 3 times a week, so please hype it up as well. But make sure you comment and like. Okay, in this DIY, I'm going to be using 2 of these letter trays. And again, these are from Dollar Tree. When I got them, I think they were still $1. More than likely, they are like $1.25. But yeah, they've just been put away in my closet, waiting to be made into something different. Again, you will need 2 of these. And what I like about this is it already has a design. It has like a marble look to it. And if you're really into marble, I do have some other DIY that I did that looks like marble. So if you would like to check those out, I'll link them below. One other thing you'll need is some of these craft sticks. And I picked these up at Dollar Tree as well. I picked the larger ones. You can also use the popsicle size ones, but I like these. So what I'm going to do is take a few of these and cut them in half. Doesn't have to be perfect. I do have some that I've already cut. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and move these labels. We're going to take one of our trays. What we're going to do is use some hot glue and some E6000. If you want to use Gorilla Glue or any other type of strong glue, you can use that as well. I'm going to take some hot glue and put it on the outside of the E6000. And I'm going to hold it there until the hot glue sets up. Woo, that's hot. Be careful, don't burn yourself. And you just want to keep doing that. Probably going to do about 4 on each side. Okay, and now I want to put about 3 down here. Alright, so this is what we have all the way around. It's not 100% even. I wish I would have moved this one down a little bit more, but that's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of my E6000 and put it on each one of these sticks. I think you pretty much figured out what I'm going to do, right? So now I'm going to take some more of my E6000 and just pounce it right on that edge. You want that as thin as possible. If you have a little bit of spillage, you can wipe that off later. Alright guys, the E6000 got kind of strong, so I went ahead and put my mask on. So what I'm going to do now is put these 2 pieces together. Let me go on this side. So I'm going to take some of my masking tape and use it to help me get this in line. Let's do the same thing on this side. I've never done this, but in my mind it works. So now, let's reinforce it this way. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is just add a little bit more tape. Then I'm going to allow the glue to set up overnight, guys. One other thing, I still have my mask on. Go on the inside and the part where you didn't use hot glue, go ahead and use some masking tape on that piece as well to help hold it down while the glue sets up. Like that. Again, I'm going to let this set up overnight. Hi guys, and welcome back. It has been 24 hours, and now I'm ready to remove the tape from the outside of my vase. I still have tape on the inside. I'll remove that later, or maybe I'll just leave it, who knows. But yeah, once you remove the tape, you will have a rectangular shaped marble vase. Isn't that cute? It's already decorative. You really don't need to add anything else to it if you don't want to. You can just put your flowers on the inside and display it as it is. But of course, here at Beverly Stunning Creations, we are going to take this a step further. So what I want to do next is just go ahead and glue this mirror on top of my vase just like this. Initially, I wanted to remove the mirror and not use a frame, but there's a bow, a little bit of a bow in the middle of this vase, so it's not going to lay flat like I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it inside the frame. But what I'm going to do is take the mirror out the packaging and then lift up these tabs, remove the mirror, and I'm going to spray paint my frame silver. I have two of these because I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to spray paint both frames silver. Let me put this here. And now I have a ruler. I have some Gorilla Wood glue, and the top is always stuck. I always just use a brush or something, or a popsicle stick to help me get the glue out. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the end and glue 5 of these tower blocks together. And you want to press them up against a ruler, something with a straight edge, so you keep it straight. I'm just wiping off the excess glue with my finger, pressing them all together. I'm going to slide it so it doesn't stick to my surface. Once it's dry, it'll look like this. We will need 2 of these. So not only will I spray paint both of my frames silver, I'm going to spray paint these blocks silver as well. So I'm going to do that and then come back. Guys, so I'm back and I have some more of these craft sticks. And what I'm going to do this time around is cut them in half and glue some together. So I'm just going to eyeball the middle, trying to keep the same size together so it'll be easier to glue them together. So I have some more of the masking tape, some more of my Gorilla Wood glue. So what I'm going to do is glue 4 pieces together, one on top of the other. When you get them together, press them down, get all the excess glue out, and then take your masking tape and put it around the center. Hold it down, hold it tight. Press them down together. Again, you will need 4 sticks stacked on top of each other. Now for each side of your vase, you are going to need 8 sets of these. 8. Let's do another set. Set number 2. Same things. Press them down together. Put the pressure on them when you are closing the tape up. And then you want to allow the glue to dry. Take 8 sets. 8. Go ahead and remove the tape. Okay, once you do, you have that. And what I'm going to do now is take my sticks and glue them down. Remember, I'm going to glue my mirror onto my vase, so I need something to fill in that void. I'm not going to put anything in the middle because of that bow. And that's what we're going to do. I guess I'll do this a little bit lower. I'm going to take some of my E6000 and put it on my sticks. And then add some hot glue. And then press it down. Hold it down until the hot glue completely sets up. Let's do another one. I'll do one more on camera. So I'm going to do the other ones off camera and then come back. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's the next day and this is what we have. And now what I'm about to do here, I've already done on the other side. I have my glue and my hot glue. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my mask on. And then I'm going to put some glue down here. This is the top, this is the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue right on this edge. I have my 5 sticks that I glued together. I'm going to put some glue right on top. And now I'm going to place this right on the edge. Now I'm going to add some glue here on this edge as well. A little bit on the sticks. turn it around. I'm going to put this here. Now here's our frame. I'm going to take a little bit of our glue, put it on our frame. Make sure that the mirror stays in place. Now let's take our mirror, put that in place, some hot glue, put this down, and then put those little metal pieces down. Now I'm going to add some hot glue just to help hold it all together. Now we're going to flip this over, put that right in place. And just line everything up. Now I'm going to just go ahead and clean up that glue seepage. And put some weight on these edges. I got some water here. So I'm going to allow all of this to sit up overnight. Then I'll guys, I'm back, and it's actually been quite a few days. When I tell you, my whole household has been sick. I really need to get this DIY out to you guys, so I apologize for my absence. I haven't even really felt like doing anything, and I guess I should have put something on the community board to let you guys know what was going on, but I didn't even feel like that. So please, please bear with me. Okay, so here's our tower blocks that we put in place, our mirror. Initially, I wasn't going to decorate the mirror after I spray painted it, but the way it looks, I think I need to. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just use some of my diamond bling and some of my mirror towel to decorate the outside. I have some ideas on what I want to do with the mirror, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys see what I'm doing. I'm not going to talk much because I really don't feel like it, so please forgive me, but it'll be easy to follow. So the first thing I'm going to do is put down some Wicked Stick It on the tower blocks. It'll have a better hold if I put some Wicked Stick It down first, okay? So I have some Wicked Stick It in this container, and I'm just going to take a paintbrush and brush some on. Put some on the sides as well. And on the bottom. The bottom is optional. So meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and cut my mirror towel off camera. It's going to take 3 rows up here and then 6 rows on each side. So I'll cut that and then come back. Yeah, so I have my mirror towel cut. I'm just going to measure and then put it down. Now 6 for each side. Now we have this. Again, if you do not want to make this into a mirror flower box, then you don't have to, okay? The marble look is really pretty. So the next thing I want to do is go ahead and measure. And I want to do this twice. Let me make sure. Now we have this, and we are going to glue this right in place. Alright, so this is what we have. So now I'm going to cut 5 rows of my bling and put it right in the center. I'm going to start right here. Okay, just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and take 1 row of mirror and go down each side. Alright, so now I'm going to take 3 rows of the diamond bling and put it on each side. I'll continue to do this off camera and then so I'm done doing the side. This is what it looks like. This is what we have so far. Here, I'm pretty sure that I want to go ahead and cover the front of my frames with mirror towel as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take some more of my Wicked Stick It and brush it onto the frame. Oh yeah, and I put 1 strip of the diamond bling across the top here, just to give it a more finished look. Okay guys, so I'm going to allow this to get sticky. Meanwhile, off camera, I'll go ahead and cut the other pieces of mirror towel and then come back. Okay, so this is what we have. Now, to give this a more finished look, I'm going to take one row of my diamond bling and go all the way around. And I'm going to complete the other side as well. Once that's done, I'll come back and then we'll decide where to go from there. Done trimming around the mirror. So now I'm going to flip this over. For the bottom, I'm going to use some of these tower blocks. Okay, I'm going to put it just like that. But before I do that, I'm going to add 4 rows of my diamond bling to my tower block. I'm only doing 3 sides. I'm going to take some of my E6000 and put some in each corner. And then I'm going to put down my feet. Okay, just like that. And now I'll take a little bit of masking tape and just put it on top, just to help hold it in place until the glue sets up. Alright guys, so I'm going to allow this to set up overnight, and then we'll come back and see if we want to do anything else. Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a couple of days since I last worked on this. So I was trying to decide on what I wanted to do. Now you can actually be done with the way it is now. Like, it's really pretty the way it is. Now, as for me, I wanted to decorate it a little bit more. It's going to be super simple. Here I have a cityscape that's already lined up. So what I'm going to do is just glue it in place. Wouldn't be right if I didn't do a cityscape. Every year I have to do one, right? At least one. I lined everything on here and then clean the mirror. Sorry guys, I had to put it towards me to make sure the first one went down straight. And of course I'm putting down more fingerprints as I go, but we can clean those up later. So I went ahead and laid down the first skyscraper, and now I'm going to put the next one down. You just want to put it right against the one beside it, and then pull the paper up. And you just keep going. This is what you will have. Can you see that? Normally I would do a little something extra at the top, like add some additional towels and just make it, you know, make it a little bit different. But honestly, I don't want to do that on this one this time. You know, I like the simplicity of the way it looks. Now, you could do this on both sides, or you can totally leave it blank. So it's up to you, however you want to do it. Some days you might want to see the skyline, and then some days you might not want to see the skyline. So it's optional. I'm trying to decide if I want to do both sides. I think I like it the way it is. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, put some floral foam in the bottom, put some flowers inside, and then come back and let you see what it looks like.